So guys, we're out here on the snake. See if we can find some smallmouth. We're not head our way to the bridge pillars, because that's where we know the cushies are. But we'll fish a little bit here and there on the way down. So if we hook into one, I'll get a clip for you guys. Just basically going to be drop shotting today. I did bring a swim bait rod too. Might throw a spy bait or two. I have not yet done that, so might try that one out. But anyways, get back to you when we hook up on a fish. Oh guys, I got a big one right off the bat. Right off the bat, guys. And I have a tiny, tiny hook. I'm just trying to finesse this fish. Oh my God, he's huge. He is a big one, guys. Let's get him up here.
Oh, there's that head shake.
No, yeah, he's pulling, bro. Like pulling. Like this is a big fish, bro. Big. Yeah. Big. It's like a 4-pounder. You see him?
No.
You don't see him? He's right there.
Holy shit.
Hang on, hang on.
Oh my God.
Bro! Let's get this started! Yeah. Let's get this started! Woo! Baby!
Oh my God.
That's what fall fishing's all about right there, girls. Look at that, guys. Right in the corner of the mouth. Little small finesse freaking bubbling shaker. I'll leave a link in the description. Get you some. That hook was not coming out either. Can we get some pics, bro?
Yeah.
Before I let this beast go.
Yeah.
That's a good fish.
Hey, don't hold it while it's pooping over my backpack.
Yeah. Yeah, bro. Oh God. Oh God. See, why won't you come out fishing so bad today? No, not really. It's like that every day. I have no words. Like, damn, a big one just jumped over there. What's up, guys? How goes? Well, we're out here trying to catch some fish. Zach's trying to figure out what color to use. He doesn't know. This guy. Well, we're gonna catch some smallmouth. Or I am. We'll see if Zach does. But we're gonna try. Alright guys, we've been fishing the pillars for quite a bit now and got a couple bites, but nothing to write home to yet. So we're trying. Get back with you here as soon as we get something, hopefully.
That's a good one.
Finally, guys, got a fish.
Oh.
Not too shabby.
Yeah.
Let's take another nice one. Let's see if we can get. It's like a decent 2-pounder. Nice. Yeah, probably a nice 2-pounder.
Yeah, he just looks so fat in the water.
Keep my shit all nice and freaking. Come on. Pretty beat up.
Yeah.
Pretty beat up.
Nice and thick.
If he's ever been caught before though, doesn't have not one of.
It looks like he's been running up on that. Okay.
Yeah, definitely been. Fell victim to the bubbling shaker. Heck yeah, it's a good one.
Boat flipper. Not bad. Good size. Nice. Perfect. That's perfect. That's not a bad one. It's not a great one. Not bad for first fish. let me finish out this cast. And a boat flip. Oh, that's a good little chunk. Not bad. He tried choking it too. Devin hooked up again finally after getting toyed by one for a while. We reel in, just play him out, No?
I don't think so. Maybe. I don't think so. You looking?
No, he's a dink.
Yeah.
You're all right. Nice. Boat to flip. Little guy. Look at that little baby fish. Little baby. Barely. I'm like lucky. Look at that. Right on the edge of the lip. Little missile. Fish. Good fish. What a... I don't know if I actually caught him spitting it. There's a bite. Oh, nope. Missed him. Hooked up and spit it. Almost took the whole worm with him, too. Nice. Nice. He's going for it. Glad the water's still pretty clean right now. Makes for a nice boat side visual. Oh, he hit that hard. That's a good one. Not bad at all. Better than the last one I just caught. He's fighting. Oh, he ain't too big. Oops, bopped the camera. Better chunk. Right as soon as the big wave started coming in, landed him just in time. Oh man, that hook's... Holy cow. Hooked him in his nostril. Ooh, nice fish, buddy. Crushed it. Crushed it. Yeah, you want a net?
Yeah, probably. I can probably go put some balls on.
That's a decent little chunk. Got him. Oh, he wanted that too. Try and get him out of there. That's a good fish there, kid. It's a better one. Oh well. Better one of the day. Good hook set. Oh, that's in there. Oh. Yeah, he is. Holy cow. Oh, he's avoiding that net. He says, nah. Nice.
Thanks guys for watching. I know this video is kind of scrambled all over the place. I didn't really have a whole lot of like I guess you would say, you know, mid sections where I was telling you like heading to the lake again, loading, unloading, all that. I just kind of skipped all that so you guys could get straight to the action. Started with that already, so it was just like, let's just keep going. So that was just kind of a few days busted into, you know, one whole video. I hope you guys enjoyed. It was, you know, some of my fall fishing for smallmouth here, kind of Washington, Idaho border, fishing for smallmouth, fishing deep. So it was fun. Had a lot of fun. It was a good couple weeks, but it is over, unfortunately. So that was the end. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please like, comment, put a big old thumbs up, because those little thumbs ups are pretty cool. So yeah, put those up there. Comment down below what's next, what videos you guys want to see. We're coming into ice fishing season, so we are all set up for ice, guys. We are definitely all set up. I kind of have a new little video I'm working on right now. I'm not sure if I'm even going to get it up or not, because I'm not so sure if I should even post it. So comment down below if you think I should post it or not. But I basically did a little tutorial tips and tricks on what all you need for ice fishing, what can help, what can make you more comfortable out on the ice, and just some basic, you know, needs for being comfortable. So yeah, let me know if I should post it or not. I'm kind of still on the edge about it, so drop them comments down below. But I hope you guys enjoyed this little fall edit. It was a lot of fun just getting out there and fishing, so I hope you guys enjoyed you know, some of the video content. I lost some of the content from the last part of the video. That's why it's all on Anthony's GoPro that he was filming with. So still got it, still, you know, managed to at least get it out there for you guys to see a little bit of. So that's why you seen me wearing my GoPro, but I accidentally deleted the video. I was trying to make room for more and upcoming videos, and they ended up not turning out. So oh well, but yeah, things happen. So anyways, super long outro, whatever. Bye. Subscribe if you haven't already. Do it right now. Please click the subscribe button.